So hey there everyone, back again with another video, and in this video we are gonna learn something more in Flutter. Okay, basically what we are gonna do is we are gonna learn something about the opacity. Okay, and animated opacity widget. Okay, that is if we click on a button of is if some action happens, then our widget should disappear or something happen. Okay, so today we are gonna learn how we can disappear our widget. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's just dive right into our code. Okay, so you can see that I have made a simple structure about the scaffold. Okay, and the scaffold, we all know that we have a app bar. Okay, and this app bar will have a title will be a text. Okay, and text will be opacity demo. Okay, and after that we will have the center title to be true. Okay, and now we will have body. Okay, the body will have center. Okay, um, yeah, and now this center will have a child, and child will be column. Okay, this column will have children widgets. Okay, and this children widget will contain first animated opacity. Okay, and after that we will have a material button, because we want something to have set the options. Okay, so this animated opacity will have opacity. Okay, this opacity will be some boolean variable which will either be some value or either be another value. Okay, so let us take a boolean variable. So for that we have bool. Okay, dart has bool as a variable. Okay, so let me give it a flag. Okay, I always use flag or let it be true. Okay, so when this opacity, okay, so we have to set this flag as either 1.0 or 0.0. Okay, so either this value should be 1.10 or 0.0. Okay, and after this the duration. Okay, so the duration will be duration, and it will have seconds value. Let it be 2.0. Okay, sorry, it will be 2. Okay, so it will disappear after 2 seconds. Okay, and now it will have a child, and this child will be a container. Okay, and this container will have height. It will have a height as 100.100, sorry, comma, and it will have width will again be 100.0. Okay, and color will be colors dot red, as my red is my favorite color. Okay, so now we are done. Okay, so let us come to this material button, and let me give it a color. So color dot let me give it black. Okay, and now it will have a child, and child will be text. Okay, let it be click me. Okay, and now on pressed. Okay, what on pressed will do some activity. Okay, so it will call the set state method. Okay, and in this set state method the flag will be set as opposite of flag. Okay, so let it be, it shows. Okay, if when this button is clicked, the flag, this flag button will be changed to the not of the previous version. Okay, so it will change the. Okay, and after that, yeah, our button is done. Okay, material button, and this, let me just check our app either have done everything right or not. Okay, so let me check. Yeah, I think so. Okay, so 3 2 1, let's go. Okay guys, and let's just run it. Okay, it will just resolve all the dependencies and it will build the Gradle and install the APK in my phone. And guys, if you like the video, just give it a thumbs up, and because your likes supports me a lot. Okay, and share this code with your friends. Okay, and yeah, just go and check out our Facebook page. The link of the pages are in the description below. So let's wait for app to build. Okay, yeah, and guys, you can just play with these codes and upload all your screenshot in our Facebook page. And if you have any questions, just write down in the comment section and I will solve them and give the answers to you. So let's just wait. Wait. Okay, so you can see that there is a black button. Okay, I have not set the color. Okay, and it has a container. So when I click this button, yeah, you can see that the container goes off. Okay, and I click it again, you can see that it comes back again. Okay, so okay, so let me just see, let me just do some, let it be. Okay, so you can see the output is this, the black screen is the R button. I have not set the color for the text. Okay, so you can see when I click on this button, the container goes off, and when I again click at it, it comes back. Okay, the duration between the going off and coming back, okay, no, sorry, the duration between the click event and the box getting disappeared fully is 2 seconds. Okay, so that's all for today guys. If you like the video, just give it a thumbs up. Okay, and share your experience in our comment section. Give it a thumbs up, share with your friends. Thank you, have a nice day.